Now let's see how to create a macro and execute it. Here we are having our table in front of us. Now let's see, little big, I am just making it size by zooming it. Here you are having a table of students where you are given the marks in English, Hindi, Math, Science, SST, total and percentages. Now to calculate the average, maximum and minimum marks in each and every subject, we will take the help of macros. Means first of all we'll calculate the marks of English subject average, maximum and minimum, and similarly all remaining subject can be calculated easily using macros. So first of all we'll see how to create a macro. Here we'll just reach where we have to make the calculation this average. Now we'll go to the view tab in the macros group, this last group in macros option. When we'll click on here, we'll get three options: view macros, record macro, and the third option is use relative referencing. First of all, we'll click on relative referencing, which is just the referencing with the help of which you can have the calculations easily. Now we will take the second option, that is record macros. It will show the dialog box of recording a macro. Suppose I'm giving here the name of the macro, that is macro 1, and a shortcut key also I want to create so that I can apply whenever I require. Suppose I'm taking along with Control A. Control A will be the shortcut key by which I can apply the same number of calculations easily, the steps of commands easily. Now I'll click on OK. Now I want to make the calculation of average, max and minimum. So I'm recording over here these formulas equals to average bracket. Now I'm just selecting to calculate the average of English subject marks of all the students by selecting these marks and closing bracket, press the enter. Second is max. So I'm just giving here also the formula of max function, maximum marks equals to, then I'm giving the range over here starting from the first student marks to the last, bracket close, enter. And the last is minimum. So once I'm giving these three calculations formulas, it can be used for rest of the other subjects using macros. See, after selecting the whole, pressing enter, minimum is also calculated. As we are recording these steps of commands, which are average, max and minimum, which is already recorded. Now we'll click on stop recording, with the help of which this recording is stopped, under which we are calculating average, max and min. Wherever we need to calculate these calculations, we can use macros now, which is already assigned. Now suppose I want to calculate the average of Hindi subject marks of all the students. So instead of typing the formula again, I'll just go to the this macros. I'll click on view macros. I'll get this dialog box. This macro 1 is the macro which we have created to calculate average, max and min, which can easily be executing the same steps using different data values when I'll click on run command. So as soon as I'm clicking here run, it is just giving me the average, max and min of Hindi subject marks. The same way I can do for math subject marks also by clicking on macros, view macro, then run. It is showing like this. Suppose I want to use the shortcut key, I can press the shortcut key also to get the same, like average, maths and men of science subject. The same way I can get for SST also using the shortcut key. So both the things can help me, either the shortcut key or using the macro steps of commands. So this way we can easily create the macros in MS Excel and can use for multiple steps at a time.